Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Jerica Monique here. Today I'm bringing you a makeup tutorial using some new products and also a new lipstick. I was sent 3 lipsticks by Noire, which is a cosmetic line that makes their own lipsticks or lip products. And today I use their matte liquid lipstick in number 18. This is the packaging that it came in, and then I also have the lipstick right here. Very pretty shade. And then as you can see, I paired a lip gloss on top, just a clear lip gloss, because I wanted the shade of the lipstick to still shine through. Also check the description box because I will list them below. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned, and also be sure to remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, to prime my eye, I'm gonna go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in number 170 Warm Almond. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer and place this on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a taupe shade. This is called Beach Beige in number 3. And I'm gonna place this on my brow bone as my brow bone highlight. That's really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark shade down here. This is called Off the Coast, and this is number 4. And I'm gonna place this in my crease as my transition color. I'm just tap it in first and then go back in and blend it out. Now I took some more of my highlight shade and I mixed it in with my transition color to just blend those out. And I'm gonna just keep going back in with both brushes to blend the edges. Now for my lid color, I'm actually gonna go in with the gold shade, and this one is called Sundown, number 5. I'm gonna place that all over my lid. And I'm going to be using a Morphe M167 brush. This is my actual first time using this palette by Physicians Formula. I picked it up from Walmart. This is their butter collection. This one is called Sultry Nights. I must say I really like this palette. The colors are actually more pigmented than I expected them to be. So definitely go pick this up because the eyeshadows are pigmented and vibrant. Now I'm going to go back in with my Milani concealer in 170 Warm Almond. And I'm just going to clean my eye up and then blend that out. I'm gonna come back to the eyes, but now I'm gonna go in on my face. And the first thing I'm gonna do is apply my primer. So I am gonna go in with a new product. This is by Revolution Makeup. This is their baking oil. It says hydrate and prep for flawless makeup application. So the directions say apply before foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this and apply this to my face. Now I'm just going to take my sponge and blend this out all over my face. So far, I think I actually like this. Although it is making my skin look oily, I like it. The smell of it, it almost has like a minty smell to it. Now I tend to get smile lines really bad after a few hours of wear of foundation. So I am going to go in with my Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. And what I've seen from most people is that they use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. They'll apply it to where their smile lines are, and it usually like fills them in so that they don't get creases or smile lines later on in the day from their foundation like breaking up. So I figured I would go in with my Lorac eyeshadow primer and apply that to my smile lines and see what it does. So I'm going to apply about that much. Now hopefully this doesn't leave like a white cast, because I've never done this before. This is actually my first time doing this, and I'm doing it on camera. So yeah, just pat that in. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in 370 Deep Bronze. I am going to take this on my e.l.f. powder brush, and I know it's a powder brush, but I'm going to use it for my foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge. Now I'm going to go back in with that concealer I used before, Warm Almond number 170, and I'm going to use this as my highlight under my eye and the other high points on my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Revolution foundation stick, and this is in number F18, and this is just a really chocolate brown shade that I'm going to use to contour my face. I really like how this product applied. It was really soft and creamy, so hopefully it blends out perfectly. So now I'm going to go back in with my sponge and blend out my concealer and then also my contour. So now I'm going to go back in with a little bit more concealer and apply that right in this area. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and set my concealer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Honey, and this is their Pro Filter setting powder, and it looks like this. It's really pretty packaging. I love it, and it's large too. So I'm just going to apply this to my under eye. Now I'm going to go in and set my contour, and I'm also going to be using another Fenty Beauty product, and it looks like this. This is in their shade Mocha Mami, and this is one of their deepest contour shade powders. It's just a matte dark brown powder. It's perfect for my skin tone or anybody darker than me or lighter. You just have to use it in moderation. Typically I would go in with my CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze Powder. That has like a slight shimmer to it, but this one is a complete matte powder and it is perfect for your contour. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Sleek makeup palette, and it looks like this. This is what the colors are looking like. I think I'm gonna go in with that middle shade. These blushes don't have a name, so I'm just gonna go in with this deepest shade. It's actually more deep in person than it is showing up on camera. It looks more orange on camera, but it's like it's almost like a orangey reddish color. It's really pretty. Okay, so the highlighter that I'm going to use is by Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in number 333B, Golden Flower Crown. I'm going to be taking my highlighter on a Morphe M501 brush. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in number 800 Cocoa, and I'm just going to set the areas of my face where I did not set. I'm just also going to just blend everything together. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Mist and Set Spray and spray my whole face. Now I'm going to go in my favorite eyeliner. This is the one by e.l.f. This is their black eyeliner. The lashes I'm going to be using today are the Ardell Professional Mega Volume 4 Pack. This is in number 251. Really pretty wispy lashes. And I'm going to apply these off camera because they take a while to put on. So I'll see y'all in a few. So I did go ahead and put on my lashes. And I also added some inner tear duct highlight. I just used the same shadow that I use on my lid in my inner tear duct. And now I'm going to go in with my contour shade by Fenty Beauty that I use. And I'm going to use this to line my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lip liner by Kylie Cosmetics. This one's in True Brown K, and this is a really pretty rich chocolate brown. Okay, so for lips, I'm actually going to go in with the Noire Empress Matte Liquid Lipstick in number 18. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is one of their lipsticks that they came out with. So let me open this up. I've never used this before. So let's try this out. The packaging is really pretty. It says Noire Lips. And then it also says it's a matte liquid lipstick. And like I said, this is number 18. Let me just swatch it for you. It does have like a doe foot applicator brush. And then let me just do a swatch. Ooh, this is really pigmented. It's a really pretty color. It's like nice and velvety and soft, and it smells good too. Then I'm gonna go back in with my lip liner. I'm trying to debate if I want to add a gloss on top, because y'all know I love me some lip gloss, so I just feel like the lip gloss just take it to another level. But this is really pretty matte by itself as well. So I'm gonna just give y'all two options. You can either keep it matte like this, or you could add a gloss, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses lip gloss. This is their lip gloss in Totally Naked, the number 12. See, the lip gloss just takes it to a whole new level, especially with your highlight popping, your lips popping. Yes, your inner tear duct. Okay, so I'm gonna go throw on my wig and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look.